Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to disable the personalized ads on your Android device and you're looking out how to do so, you may just follow up these steps and you should be able to do it pretty easily. So access your settings for that, and once you access your device's settings, you can go to the privacy section. So scroll down, find the option for privacy and then tap on it. After that, you can just go for scroll down and look out for the option of ads. So just go over and tap on ads. And once you tap on ads here, you can cut for the option of ads personalization. So you can cut for ads personalization and you can disable the personalized ads. You can tap on ads privacy, and this is where you can customize the info. You can just go over and turn it off. So we have this option of ad measurement. You can turn it off by tapping on it, and you can tap on this and turn it off. That will protect your privacy. You can reset the measurement data, and you can cut for ad topics as well. You can tap on it. You can turn this one off as well. Topics out of topics of interest based on the applications you have used, it will provide you ad. You can turn this off as well if you want to turn off the personalized ads. You can even look out for the app suggested ads and tap on it. And when you do, you can turn this option off, which is used to determine what you like and suggest ads on the other applications. You can turn it off, and that should probably personalize your ad for you. You can reset the advertising ID, delete the advertising ID as well, and even enable the debug logging for your ads and instruct the applications to write ads debugging information to the system log. And that's it. Those are the solutions you can follow up. These are the methods you can follow to disable the personal ads. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.